Hi students, good morning. Welcome to day 12 class. Today we are going to discuss about measurement of value. But already we discussed, first we are going to discuss length, measurement of length. We are using the measure the distance. To measure the distance, we are using the centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, and another one is meter. That's why we are calling which is the standard unit of measuring length. It is meter. But some students are writing in your examination which the standard unit of measuring length. The standard unit of measuring length. Don't write answer, only write their question. It is not good. But compulsory should write the standard unit of measuring length is meter. Understand? In distance, we are coming means we are using different type of units. Okay. Then second chapter we are studying the measurement of weight. These are length, weight, another one is volume. These are the we are using our daily life. We are concerning that one. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮೆಜರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ವೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫ್. ನಾವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Because we are going to Kirana store means we are there using give me 1 kg of rice, 1 kg oil, we are giving this time. Understand? Then in value, where we should use value? Value means we should calculate the liquid items. You know that liquid items? Liquid items means we should know the petrol. In a petrol bunk, we are going means we are telling there 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter. We should tell, but we don't tell them give me 1 kg of petrol. In a Kirana store, we are going there and give me 1 liter of sugar. Namu 1 liter of sugar kodantare illa. And petrol bunk hogi 1 kg petrol kodantare illa. We are using different place, different units. Yes or no? Because in a liquid items we are using their value unit only, because the value is only using for liquid items. These are petrol, kerosene, water, milk. Milk also we are using because daily we are giving the milk and taking the milk, purchasing milk. Milk seller coming and give to the milk because they are telling that type take it half liter of milk, 1 liter of milk. That containers, that materials of the calculations, you know that one. Understand? Because value has another one point, capacity. Capacity means one container, that should be half liter container, 1 liter container, 2 liter container. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ, capacity means ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗ capacity equal to ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ನಾವು ಪಾತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ನೀರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. because that is 1 liter container, we should fill there 2 liter water. It is possible? Not possible, because that all is spreading. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. because that capacity. For example, this bottle, understood? This bottle has how much capacity? 1 liter water capacity only, because this is above 1 liter means it should be spread. That's why this bottle capacity should be 1 liter water. Then how much chapati you eat daily? Sir, 2 chapati I eat, sir. Because your capacity should be 2 chapati only, because you eat 4 chapati means ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ತಿಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಮೃತನ ಕೂಡ ರುಚಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಚಲೋ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? ನೋ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ one container should be how much water is hold. That is capacity of that container. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ತುಂಬುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is the capacity of that container. Understood? And water drum, that is the 500 liters of capacity that drum has. In your home, all of you have, because of your terrace, all of you hold that one because of saving the waters, daily using the waters. Understood? Then what is the capacity of bike tank, bike petrol tank? That is the 12 liter capacity. You should fill the 20 liter means it should be outside. ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ತುಂಬಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ it is not possible, it is impossible. Understood? Then which is the standard unit of measuring value? You know that one? That should be liter. In weight purpose we are using the kg or gram, and length purpose we are using the centimeter, meter, kilometer and millimeter. These are the units of length, and kg and gram is units of weight. Then liter and milliliter is the units of value. That's why we are telling there. First one is the standard unit of measuring volume is liter or ml. ml is ml short form is liter. That's why we are writing here. L means liter. ml means milliliter. But liter is bigger or milliliter is bigger? Yes, liter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit. Understood? But 1 liter holds how much milliliter? Another 1 liter ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you want how much milliliters? First you should find out that one. First 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Remember these things, it is very important, because you know that one in first lesson 1 kg has 1000 gram. That's why 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter ದೊಳಗ milliliter ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ? 1000 milliliter. Remember this. Okay. Then next one 1/2 liter. 1/2 L. L means liter. 1/2 liter means it is half liter. 1/2 liter means how much? 1/2 liter means 500 milliliter. 500 ml. Understood? Then next one is 1/4 liter equal to ಪಾವ್ ಲೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಾವ್ ಲೀಟರ್, ಅರ್ಧ ಲೀಟರ್, you know that one? Because it is half liter, it is 1/4 liter means it is the pav liter, 250 milliliter. Then another one is 3/4 liter equal to 750 milliliter. Remember these things, it is very important. Okay, all of you write down this one. Then another one we are going to discuss Next point is capacity. Capacity means the quantity of liquid A container holds is called the capacity of that container, is called that container. Remember, I explained with examples because this bottle should be, you think it is one container. This bottle, how much water should be holds inside, that is the capacity of this container. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಒಳಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಈ ಬಾಟಲಿನ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ್ರವ ಪದಾರ್ಥ. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ರವ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಅದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನೀರು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ದ್ರವ ತಳ್ಳಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್. A container means ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆ. Container holds is called the capacity of that container. Remember these things. Then example, that container, this is one container. This is container has how much water, that is the capacity of this container. It is water holds 2 liters. It is the capacity of this container is only 2 liters. Okay, all of you write down this one and write this diagram also. Yes, dear students, look at here, all of you. These are given here containers. Okay, the capacity of this container is 1 liter because this type materials we are using in dairy, milk dairy. You know that one milk dairy. All of you staying in villages, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಡೈರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಅ ಡೇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ automatic machine, electric machine is there because that machine only counting the how much water we are giving there. That's why then the quantity of liquid in a container is called the volume, that how much capacity of that container holds, that is the volume we are calling that one. Okay, and these all the we are using containers because 50 ml, it is 50 ml container, 100 ml container, 200 ml container, 500 ml. 500 ml means it is half liter and it is 1 liter container because we are using this one. And remember this one already I discussed this one. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, 1/2 liter equal to 500 milliliter, 1/4 liter equal to 250 milliliter, 3/4 liter equal to 750 milliliter. Make a list of at least 2 situations where we use milliliter in our daily life, where we are using the milliliters in our daily life. We are using there in a milk dairy and we are buying there in kirana shop. Then petrol bunk also we are using there because 100 rupees we are given means they are given 1 liter and 200 milliliter of petrol. Then make a list of any 2 situation we are using liter to measure. Liter to measure means we are using there in water bottle. 1 liter water bottle give me, we are ಇನ್ ಅ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೀಟರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ವೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಲೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ. Okay, next one we are discussion convert liter to milliliter. Convert meter to milliliter. Remember, already this type problem solved many times because we should convert kg to gram. Understand? But one thing is clearly remember in your mind, when we converting bigger unit to smaller unit, we are doing their which fundamental operation? Yes, someone is telling their multiplication. Yes, it is right. We are doing their multiplication because liter is bigger unit, milliliter is smaller unit. Understand? Then we are converting milliliter to liter means it is smaller to bigger means we are using their division. Then here we are do multiplication. We are using their multiplication. Okay. Then first one 6 liter equal to how much milliliter. Remember 6 liter equal to how much milliliter? 6 liter equal to how much milliliter? Remember this one. Answer 1 liter equal to, you know that one. 1 liter equal to, you know already. 1 liter means how many milliliters? Who is telling? Yes, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. Then 6 liter means 6 multiplication 1000. Then 6 ones are 6. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Then 6000 milliliter. ml we should write ml only because that is the short form of milliliter. Then another one, second one we are going to discussion 96 liter equal to how much milliliter? Then answer 96 liter equal to how much milliliter? Then 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 96 into 1000 because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 96 liter equal to how much? Then you have to do it there. 96 ones are 96. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 96,000 ml. 96,000 milliliter. Okay. We are going to discussion more problems. Write down all. Fuse the video, then you have to write the what we writing there. You should write. Next one, third one, 6 liter 550 milliliter convert into milliliter. This type problem given me is how to solve. Listen all of you carefully. Here given 6 liter 550 milliliter. It is right. But You should first convert liter, then already given milliliter, you should add it. Okay. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೀಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. It is right. Then first you have to think liter should be convert. Liter ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲು milliliter convert ಮಾಡಿ. Then you have to add 550 milliliter, then milliliter. Okay. First answer, 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. That is equal to 6 into 1000, 6000 milliliter plus 1 milliliter is there. We should add it 550 ml. Okay. Then 6000 plus 550 ml 0.56. The total answer is 6550 ml. This is the answer. Okay. Write down this one. Okay, dear students, all of you open page number 60. Now all of you open page number 60. All of you opened fast. Open fast, all of you. Okay. Then exercise 13.1 is there. All of you look at there, page number 60. Exercise 13.1 is there. It is right? Yes. First of all, you should keep your hand there. Write the suitable unit of measurement used in the situations given below. Some situations are given below. You should use their correct units to measure. Kerosene in a drum. One full drum kerosene is there. That kerosene should be, we should measure. Which unit we should measure? ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್ ತುಂಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿಚ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೀಟರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೀಟರ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಪ್. One small cup is there, that cup have milk, then that milk we should how to measure? Which unit we are using? Milliliter or liter? Sir, it should be using milliliter. Bottle of ink. One small bottle is there, that bottle should have ink. How much? Which unit we are using there? Sir, that is also milliliter. Water in a bucket. One full bucket have water. Which unit we are using there? Yes, it should be liter. Then syrup in a bottle. ನೀವು ಕೆಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿದಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದು ಟಾನಿಕ್ ತಂದು ಕುಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿರಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬಾಟಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಲೀಟರ್ ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕುಡಿತೀರೇನ? ನೋ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್. ಎಸ್, ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಲೀಟರ್ ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು milliliter. Here given liter, then you have to convert their milliliter. Okay, now we are going to discuss there. I will solve. First of all, here given first one is 3 liter is equal to 3 liter means how much milliliters? Yes, 3 liter equal to 3000 milliliter. Then 7 liter, second one is 7 liter. You should do directly, mentally you have to prepare. Then it is 7000 milliliter. Then another one is third one, 2 liter 500 ml is equal to, one is 500 ml is already there, but 2 liter only you should convert means 2000 milliliter. Then plus 500 means 2500 ml. Then next one is 6 liter 250 ml is equal to, then how much? 6250 ml. This is the answer. So remember this answer, you should write there. Okay, write down that one in your textbook. Next one is there, Roman number third. Roman number third is there. What is that? Match the quantity of liquid in a column A with the column B and write the answer in the blank space provided. Okay. Remember, match the following is there. It is very important to your examination. Okay. One is B section, another one is A section is there. A section, first one is 4 liter. 4 liter means how much milliliter? 4000 milliliter. Answer is there, but this answer you should write here. Okay. Then 9 liter, how much? 9000 milliliter. You should write here second answer. Then 1 liter, 250 milliliter. You should write here third one answer. Which is the answer? 1 liter. 250 milliliter means 1250 milliliter. Last one, it is third answer. Then 5 liter 50 milliliter means it is 5050 milliliter. B answer, fourth one. Then 3 liter 100 milliliter means 3100 milliliter. It is fifth one answer. Okay. This one all answer you have to solve in your fair book. Then you have to send to WhatsApp through. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about some more problems. Yes, now 8 liter 900 ml. This one convert into milliliter. Then how to convert this one? First of all, you should convert. This time you should write in your examination. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Ml means milliliter. Then 8 into 1000. 8 into 1000. 8000 milliliter, then plus 900 ml, then 8900, total answer 8900 ml. Okay. Then next one is second one, 67 liter 770 milliliter. Okay. This one you should convert into milliliter. This is very important. Huh? Remember, here also 2 digit, here also 2 digit. But adding is very important. Answer 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Then 67 into 1000 is equal to 67 ones are 67 1 2 3 plus 70. Then how to add this one? First of all, you should write here 67,000 plus 70 is there. First of all, you should add. Don't write 70 here. First of all, unique place, one is 0 and the one is 7. Adding method. Okay. But some students are writing here, then you should write here. That is the wrong answer. Then 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 7, 0, 7, 6. Then it should be answer is 67,070 ml. 67,070 ml. Write down these two answers. Okay. Then all the given problem I solved. Now this all problem you have to solve in your fair book. And what I given exercise, these exercise 1, 2, 3. These all solve in fair book. Okay. Write down.